Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Digital Classes. I am Ravi Kumar. Today's topic is computer languages. Languages play important role in our life. Hindi, English, Chinese, French, Sanskrit. That is the example of human languages. But computer is a machine, so we require computer languages. Now today we discuss about computer languages. So ready for the computer languages. My dear students, computer languages is divided into two levels. First level is low level language and second one is high level language. And again, low level language also categorized on two parts, that is machine language and assembly language. And after some time I will explain all about languages. Now the first language is machine language. Machine language is also called binary language because it's combination of only two digits, that is 0 and 1. Machine language is very fast because machine understand directly, because computer is also machine and that is machine language, so it's run very fast and computer understand directly. But machine language has some disadvantage. The disadvantage is hard for the learn, hard for the remember and hard for the return. The specific person is used at that time machine languages. Nowadays we have another. Now after facing machine language problems, then we rectify and make a new language that is called assembly language. Assembly language is a combination of similar machine languages. It's easy to learn and write as compared to machine language. Some example of assembly language code are move for the move, add for the addition, sub for the subtraction, push the data. Assembly language is used for the specific processor. Now discuss about third language, that is high level language, also short form is HLL, full form is high level language. High level language is the modern language. We are use English for the modern and global languages. But high level language belong all alphabets, also small and capital, and all numbers 0 to 9 and various special symbols, plus, minus, multiplication, at the rate, dollar and many more symbol in special symbol in high level languages. High level languages advantages is very easy for the learning, for the remembering and written, because this is a modern era languages. Now high level language has some disadvantages. First one is program run very slow as compared to assembly and machine language, and second one is computer not understand directly. Now after some time I will discuss about this. Now student, I think you know very well the computer understand only machine languages, but we have two other languages, assembly and high level language. So how will you manage? Some example for the your belonging to human being. You are Indian, so you understand Hindi, English and some Indian languages. But whenever you go foreign, that time we use a translator who person translate your languages for that language, and that person translate to your Indian language. Why? Because communication is important for everyone. So now same thing is for the computer languages. So that is called language translator. Now we have three types of translator. First one is assembler, interpreter and compiler. Now we will discuss about everything. Now first one is assembler. Assembler convert assembly language to machine language. Okay, assembly language to machine language because computer understand only machine language. Okay, assembler is used when we use assembly language. Now this time we not use. Now that time we use high level language, that is called HLL in short form. Now we have two types of language translator, interpreter and compiler. Now both the translator convert high level language to machine language. But why we have make two? So my dear students, first time we make interpreter. Interpreter convert high level language to machine language, but line by line. every code check line by line, like that your chapter line by line you move, but not read one time. Okay. Now next one is, after this interpreter, the interpreter works very slow. So after this program rectifier, we make a new is compiler. Compiler read all program, entire program, all program full entire. It is run very fast and it's built in. Nowadays compiler is built in your system for the executing where fast your all programs. So now this is computer languages. I hope everybody learn and enjoy. Thank you.